Dear students, today we are going to look upon the chapter Maternity, which is the first chapter in the unit 2. It is written by Lilika Nakos. She is a Greek novelist, journalist, and short story writer. She usually wrote about the misery and suffering of children and women. She characterized herself as the first hippie in the Greece. Now moving on to the story. Summary of the lesson. The author Lilika Nakos presents a loving mother and stresses human values like the importance of relationship, patience, courage, universal love, sense of duty and sacrifice. Mikhali was an Armenian refugee boy living in the refugee camp at Marseilles. He was a 14-year-old boy. He was always carrying his infant brother on his back and wandering in the refugee camp in search of a nursing mother to feed the baby. His mother died after giving birth to him. He was unable to go to work because he has to look after his infant brother. He was a responsible brother who had love and affection to him. He was always troubled by the incessant cries of the baby. He thought that any woman might take pity on the child and breastfeed the baby. But no one came forward to help and support him. He had no proper food, shelter, and sleep. The child was ugly to look at. He had an enormous head and thin and shriveled body. He had a swollen thumb too. The child was carrying all the time. He knew that child was condemned to die out of hunger, so he felt alone and lost. Everyone listened to the cries of the baby with irritation. The howls of the baby doubled their miseries and hardships. They chased him and sent him away threatening. He watched like a lost soul in the camp. He did not get any help from the refugees of the Armenian camp and he received the same treatment from Anatolians. Then Mikhali met Chinaman. It was a turning point in his life. Chinaman was ready to help him. He took him to his house and he said to his wife, would breastfeed the baby. She was shocked to see the feeble appearance of the baby with enormous head and shriveled body. She laid the baby on her lap and pressed him to breastfeed him. This made him content and happy. This is the end of the story. Thank you.